swinging left to the side, twisting your body joints. When you go down, you just move.
That's good. ደህና ነሽ? እንዴት ነሽ? ስራ እንዴት ነው? እመጣለሁ። ምን አለ የምትሸጪው አሪፍ ነገር? እንደዚህ አይነት ቱታዎች ነው የምትሸጪው? ስለዚህ መሸጫ ዋጋ ከ2500 ብር እስከ 1800 ብር። Hello beautiful people, how you doing? Hope everyone is doing great. Today is another beautiful day here in Gondar, Ethiopia. You know, I've shown you lots of nice videos here in Gondar. So today I'm just simply come out and they told me there is a bazaar currently happening here in Addis. I mean here in Gondar. I say Addis. I feel like I'm in Addis, but I'm here in Gondar. So with this video, I just want to take you to this spot where this market, bazaar, something, a lot of what enterprises, something like that, I think, are selling their stuff in some particular place as a bazaar exhibition. So I just want to see that and show you what that looks like really, and we can maybe explore. Oh, this lorry, sorry. We can explore how good is the vibe in the transaction like that, so we can figure out that together. So I'm heading into that spot, so let me see you there, my beautiful people. Stay tuned and start the video by giving thumbs up. Let's go. Guys, a lot of what noise, but I'm already arrived to the spot where I can show you this bazaar exhibition in Gondar. You can see this one. This one is a bazaar in Gondar. So there's a lot of what noise, music. So let's go and explore the inside of this market. I don't know if you are catch my voice, but let's go. And I'm afraid even the copyright of what this song is, so I will leave your eyes with the camera and I can just show you the inside of this bazaar which is happening here in Gondar. So as we get inside, this is what it's look like, bro. Salam. Wow. Just Lena, in case I came back. So guys, this is what it is, man. Oh, it's very nice. On the gate, you got this some package, something, I don't know what these are. Oh, look at this, it's beautiful, bro. ኦኬ ጸጉር ቅባት ናቸው። እንዴት ነሽ? ሰላም አለን። እኔ እንኳን እስኪ ልልሽ ምንድነው ኦኬ Oh, look at this. Okay. That's good. ምንድነው? ኦኬ ስቲም ነው። ይሄንም እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር እየሸጣችሁ ነው። ስንት ብር ነው? 2500 አሪፍ። ስለዚህ ከባዛሩን አስመልክቶ የሆነ ዲስካውንት አለው ምናምን ማለት ነው። ኦኬ አሪፍ ነው። ስለዚህ እንዴት ነው እንቅስቃሴው? አሪፍ ነው። እየሸጣችሁ ነው። That's good. Okay. አሪፍ። Thank you. Just hopefully ሰዎች እየመጡ ይገዛሉ ብዬ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ጎንደርን ልናይ መጠን ላይክ እያየን እና ባዛሩ ምናምን በዚሁ እየቀረጽ ነው። Thank you. So guys, በቃ መግቢያችን ላይ on the gate you got these all cosmetics products for different purpose. It's very interesting. ሰላም ነው? እንዴት ነሽ? መቼም ካሜራ አትፈሪማ? በጣም አሪፍ። እንዴት ነው ስራ? ምንድን ነው አንቺ ያዝሽው ፕሮዳክት? ኦኬ ስለዚህ ማን ይባላል ያንቺ ሾፕ? አሃ የህንድ ካምፓኒ። ኦኬ እነዚህ የሚመረቱት እዚሁ ነው? አገር ውስጥ ነው? ከኢንዲያ ነው የሚመጡት? አዎ that's good. ስምሽ ማን ይባላል? ትዝታ። እንዴት ነው የባዛር ገበያ? አሪፍ ነው? አሪፍ እንቅስቃሴ ያለው? ዋው። እስኪ አንድ እቃ ለምሳሌ ሰዎች ቼም ቪዲዮ አይተው መጥተው መግዛት ቢፈልጉ ዋጋቸው ምናምን ከነገርሽ?
እነዚህ የቀማ የመስታወት የመስኮት እና ለጠረጴዛ ናቸው።
ኦኬ ዋው። ዋው በጣም ደስ ይላል። 1200 ብር ነው። በጣም አሪፍ። ስለዚህ በአጠቃላይ የጽዳት እና ጽዳት የሚመለከቱ ነገሮች እዚህ ማግኘት ይችላሉ። በጣም አሪፍ። ታንክ ዩ ስለተገናኘን ደስ ብሎኛል። መልካም እድል። ሰላም እንዴት ነው?
Yes, bro. How are you?
How are you, bro?
Fine. How are you?
Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Where you from, bro? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Tanzania.
Tanzania. Welcome to Ethiopia.
Thank you, my brother.
How long have you been here?
10 years.
10 years. So you're living here in Gondar or
I live in Addis.
in Addis? Wow. What's your name, bro?
Kevin.
Kevin. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you, brother.
So you're a businessman?
Of course, I'm selling this stuff.
Oh, that's very interesting. So,
Physiotherapy massage.
aha. So what are the stuffs you are selling for? So you came here for this bazaar from Addis?
Yeah, of course.
Wow, that's very
I
interesting.
come many times, not only this time.
Aha, you came. That means you also have shop here?
No. I'm just participating in the bazaar. Then
Aha.
when it's done, I'm going back.
Okay, that's good. So can you show us some of the stuffs you are selling here?
Yeah.
And the purpose, the function, I don't know. Just you can tell us.
Okay, this is Max Store.
Okay.
Massage. When you buy this stuff, product, I give you 7 attachments.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
Each attachment, it has each function in the body.
Aha.
It means throughout the body, from the head to the toe.
Oh.
For example, if you want to massage along the joints,
Yeah.
shoulders, neck, and leg muscles,
Okay.
you use this one U-shape attachment.
Okay.
So use U-shape attachment. You can massage through the joints.
Wow.
And the
That's
hands.
nice, bro.
That's why it's U-shape. And
Okay.
also you can cure the the neck. Okay.
Okay.
Also you can use for the muscles.
Wow.
Muscle contraction. You can release muscle contraction.
Yeah.
So after you finish, you can switch it off. This one is for backbone, a spinal cord massage.
Okay.
This nozzle attachment.
Yeah.
You can start from here, then you go downside.
Aha. Oh. That's cool.
And also, apart from spinal cord,
Yeah.
you can use for this side, on the leg. Only this part.
Okay.
You have to release pain. Okay? Then, the silver one. This silver one is for abdomen massage,
Oh.
to burn calories.
Okay.
Even you can use on the lips. Okay? And also, you can use on this part of the shoulder.
Okay.
Okay?
Wow.
And there's this one. And this one.
Yeah.
This one is for foot massage. Yeah, foot massage.
Yeah.
And also you can do for the hand to improve sensitivity.
Yeah.
And to allow blood supply throughout the nerves. Okay.
Okay.
We call it acupuncture and acupressure massage. This one, this for back massage.
Oh. That's cool.
And this one, this is for head massage. For head massage.
Wow.
this for the head massage. The importance of this machine, it give you comfort. And the second, it allow blood to be supplied throughout the body properly.
Okay.
And another thing, it release pain. It means to give you relief. If
Yeah,
you have
yeah.
pain somewhere. And also it improves sensitivity of the nerves and to make the nervous system to work according to the order. Okay. This one is for the facial nerves. I mean facial nerves.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why
Okay.
it's very soft.
Okay,
Yeah,
this one, you see? Yeah, yeah.
so
It's
you can
good.
use it on the facial nerves, on the neck, on the side of the head, the ears. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes you can use on the chest, inside the chest. Okay. Yeah. Then this is a loss off, off. On high speed. If you want high speed. If you want minimum speed, then this is switch it off. Okay. This is a max stop.
Okay.
And after you finish the massage, the manual says you must drink a glass of water after massage to flush your body properly. So when you finish the massage, drink a glass of water. Not cold, just normal water. Yeah. So you can use it twice per day, morning, evening, or once per day. It's okay. This is physiotherapy. When you have this product, you don't need to go to hospital to do physiotherapy because already you have the product at home. So you can use you and your family at home.
So one can, following the manual here,
All
they
this-
can just
all this
use these
stuff-
old stuffs
All
here.
this stuff, you can view the manual, or I have the video online. I can share with the customer. I
Just
have
maybe you tell us the address and then
address.
yeah.
Okay, I'm from Addis Ababa, Denver.
Okay.
That's our office. This is the company.
Oh, all right. Just okay.
Actually, we have like 80 stand here. This
Okay.
one, this one, that one, that one, that one. We have 80 stand in this plaza. Yeah.
That's
Indian
good.
company from Addis Ababa, Denver.
Very good. So I'll just put the address in the
Also,
description.
I have this one. Slimmer, body slimmer, especially for the stomach, burning the calories. It's an Indian product,
Okay.
very nice one. It's manual, no electric connection, no charge. It's manual. These are supported.
So
You step in here, and you step in here.
wow, it's interesting.
But,
You see?
You need to wear light clothes like a swimsuit, like tuta. Then you just swing it left and side, swing it left and side, twisting your body joints. When you go down, you just work on your muscles.
Wow.
You can do fast. Okay.
It's
Then
good,
when
you see?
go up, you just work on the belly on the other side of the left and right. So this stuff, like this. You can do the music. You can go with the music every day. Okay. And when you finish, this is 2-in-1. The other side is a foot massage.
Oh,
The same item like this one,
okay.
foot massage. So what you do is you remove the shoes. Why we do this? This is like a pressure massage, which means the customer can relieve pain, improve sensitivity, energy flow, blood flow. So you step on it. So the pinching, body weight is pressured on the pinching. This pinching, it pinches the skin.
Okay.
Outside. So the blood is moving. The cells are working. The nervous system is improved. You can do this every day. By the way, this is Chinese traditional methods. So we apply all over the world, but it's Chinese traditional method, like a pressure massage. So
Okay.
2 by 1, 2,000 baht.
See?
2,000 baht.
In a single stone, two birds.
Yeah. Single stone, 2 birds.
Yeah.
This one 7,000.
7,000 this all
7,000.
with this accessories. All right.
Set in the box.
7,000.
7.
So good, I think. This one I like it.
This one,
Yeah, how much this
I'm
one?
selling. I just finished, you see?
Oh.
I have so many.
Okay.
Only 2,000 I'm selling.
How much this one alone?
This one 2,000.
2,000.
Me, I have it in my home. It's very nice.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's nice. Exactly.
Breakfast, I just do some wings.
So me, when I come Addis, I buy there.
No problem.
I'm from Addis, you know.
It's okay. No?
Okay. I need it, bro.
Huh?
Yeah, it's good. You see?
Yeah, it's nice for you, for me.
Yeah, sure.
Because you are sweating,
Yeah.
the breathing change.
It's good. It's good to meet you, my brother. Good luck.
You own a TV or what?
Yeah, YouTube. You can.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, you can check my channel TY Travels.
You should give me the link so I can
Yeah,
see where you're
yeah. You can check it now. Let's do it. You know, I got a subscriber here, guys.
Okay.
እሺ ቀጥላ ግቢ TY this one.
TY Travels.
Yeah. Done.
Alright, so you post it, I'll see.
Exactly. Mama, how are you? You don't want to be in the camera? Oh. I come back, bro. Okay. So, guys, let's tour around. Danish. Huh? Oh, what is it? It's food stuff? Hello? How are you, bro? How you doing? How's business? Where you from? Oh, just I see here some food stuffs. Where you from, my brother? Sorry.
I'm from Uganda.
Uganda. Good. So you came here for business or you live here in Ethiopia? You for this business purpose you come? Oh, that's good. So how is the business here? It's good. So the vibe is good. It's hot. The transaction. 50-50. Yeah. Because I see outside even it's not as such hot. Anyways, it's good. What is the stuff? Could you tell us something a little bit about your products? What are those things you are selling for?
It's a kitchen ware product.
Okay.
It's set together like this.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a slice of let me show you.
Aha.
Slice your stuff.
Yeah.
Cabbage. Slice your onions, orange, mint,
Okay.
Irish. This. These things. Stuff like that.
Okay.
Then this is for French fries.
Aha.
How do you want to make French fries? You just put here. Then make
Oh.
rice.
So simple.
Very awesome. Also this is for pila.
Mm-hmm.
Front and back like this. Anything until also Irish.
Mm-hmm.
It's very awesome. We even some stuff like tomatoes.
Okay. Wow. So nice.
Make stuff like this.
Okay. Can slice thin like this even. Wow.
Now we're doing an offer. We selling this as a set. 2,500.
How much this one? This together.
Yeah.
These three things. How much they cost?
2,500. This one is a gift.
Wow. I think people need to visit.
Yeah, sure.
It's good, you see?
Yeah, sure.
At the same time, you guys have some discount from the normal
Yeah. This is 1,200. This is 1,500.
Ah,
This is 500. This is 600. And right now we're giving you 2,500.
wow,
So
that's
meaning
good.
you have 700 discount. Also, this is a gift.
Wow, it's nice.
Awesome.
Hope people will visit you.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thank you. Good luck. So why don't you promote something? We are fried. What's your name? እሺ ስምሽ ማን ነው? Come on. ብሩክታዊ እንዴት ነው? ስራ አሪፍ ነው? ምን እንደምትሰሪው አንቺ? ኮስሞቲክስ ያንቺ ነው? ስለዚህ ስለ ኮስሞቲክስ ንገሪና። ምን እንደምትሸጪው? ኮስሞቲክስ እየሸጥሽ ነው? ምንድን ናቸው? የምን እዚህ የሚሰሩ ናቸው ወይስ ከውጭ ኢምፖርትድ? ከውጭ ነው። ኦኬ። ስለዚህ አሁን ለምሳሌ ሰዎቹ እንደዚህ አይነት እቃዎች አሉን መጣችሁ ጎብኙን የምትይው ነገር አለ? ንገሪያቸዋ ፕሮዳክትሽን። እንደዚህ አይነት እቃዎች አሉን መጣችሁ ጎብኙን ባዛሩ ሳያልቅ ምናምን በይ። ለምሳሌ አገልግሎታቸውን የፕሮዳክቶችን እነዚህ ለዲዛይን አይነት ፐርፐዝ ይውላሉ ምናምን ብለሽ ብትናገሪ አሪፍ ነው። ኦኬ ኦኬ That's good. Wow. ይመጣሉ በእርግጠኝነት የኔን ቪዲዮ አይተው ዛሬ ለቀዋለሁ። they will just buy everything from you. so ስንት ብር ነው እሱ አሁን ለምሳሌ? 2500 ብር ነው አሁን እዚህ በባዛሩ ምክንያት ማለት ነው። hopefully ሰዎች መጥተው ይጎበኛቸዋል። thank you. just let's do this with you. Come and buy. This is exactly the right place to buy. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Good luck. So guys, let's tour around all the stuff behind. What we have seen is a section for selling those different cosmetics, and this one is for shoes, something stuff. Yeah, let me show you. So guys, if you are watching this video, make sure you come and buy some stuff. Still they are just selling things for discount. Bro, come on. Oh, this man is not a businessman. ሰላም ነው? እንዴት ናችሁ? ስራ እንዴት ነው? አሪፍ ነው? ምን ልብሶች ናቸው እናንተ የምትሸጡት? አሳየና ቢዝነስ። People watch this video, they come, they buy. እንዴት ነው ስራ? አሪፍ ነው? ሰዎች መጥተው እየገዙ ነው? ዲስካውንት አለ? ኦኬ፣ ለምሳሌ እቃዎችን ምናምን አሳየ። ኦኬ ፕሮሞት ላድርግልህ። you know I'm visiting this bazaar. so እስከ መቼ ነው የሚቆየው ባዛራችሁ? እስከ ዛሬ ቀን ስንት ነው? 7 ነው። ስለዚህ 7 ሲደመር 6 ቀን አለ፣ 5 ቀን አለ። ስለዚህ በ5 ቀን ውስጥ መጥተው ሊገዙ ይችላሉ። እንዴት ነው ምንድን ነው የምትሸጠው አንተ? ቦንዳ ምናምን። look at this ስኪችን አሳየን። ቦንዳ ነው። ስንት ብር ነው እሱ? 1.3 that's good አሪፍ ነው። እቺስ 700። ዋው ያ ማለት ከኖርማሉ ሱቅ ላይ ከምትሸጡት እዚህ ቅናሽ አለ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ በጣም አሪፍ ነው። ቲሸርቶችም አሉ። በጣም አሪፍ በጣም አሪፍ። look at this. so guys, if you are here in Gondar, make sure to visit this bazaar. ስለዚህ ያንተ ሱቅ ማን ይባላል? ያንተ ስም? ፋሲልን መጣችሁ ጎብኙት፣ ግዙት። ብዙ እቃዎች ይዟል። አሪፍ ቲሸርቶች፣ ጃኬቶች፣ ጫማዎች አሉት። በጣም በቅናሽ ዋጋ ነው እየሸጠ ያለ። good luck my brother. ስለተገናኘን ደስ ብሎኛል። መልካም እድል። so this is all the stuff on this section are shoe, as you can see, and those nice t-shirts, suits. It's good. Trouser. እንዴት ነው ስራ? አሪፍ ነው? ገበያ እንዴት ነው? የለም ብዙም አይደለም። ላይክ ዛሬ ስራ ቀን ስለሆነ ነው ወይስ እሑድና ቅዳሜ እንዴት ነበር? አገሪቱ በኢኮኖሚ ብር ስለዚህ ብዙም አይደለም ማለት ነው። በርቱ። ለማንኛውም እንቅስቃሴ የለም እያየሁት ነው። ኤንዌይስ በርቱ። መልካም እድል። thank you. this is as you guys listen from this seller. TikTok ሳይሆን YouTube. Yeah, let's do this. TY subscribe. Got a subscriber here, guys.
TY?
TY Travels. Travel. Wait. Yeah. TY Travels. Yeah. Thanks. So guys, this is what the bazaar looks like here in Gondar, which is happening right now. This is the vibe. Of course, there is no such hot transaction right now, so let's be done. I'm just heading out. I'll show you what's being on sale on the bazaar. But you know, it's not such hot. But still, you never give up. You still push. That's good. Yeah, a lot of stuffs are on sale. Hello. ደህና ነሽ? እንዴት ነሽ? ስራ እንዴት ነው? አሪፍ ነው? ምንድነው የምትሸጪው? ቱታ ፕሮሞት እያረኩልሽ ነው በነፃ። ነገ ሰዎች መጥተው አንቺ ጋር ይገዛሉ፣ እኔም እመጣለሁ። ምን አለ የምትሸጪው አሪፍ ነገር? እንደዚህ አይነት ቱታዎች ነው የምትሸጪው። ስለዚህ መሸጫ ዋጋ ከ2500 ብር እስከ 1800 ብር። That's good. የት ነው ሱቅሽ? ኦኬ ሴልስ ነው የምትሰሪው? That's good. So ሴልስ ላይክ ሱቅ የላችሁም ታዲያ? እና የት ነው ከባዛሩ ውጭ የት ነው የምትሸጪው? ኦኬ ከአዲስ አበባ እንደ መጣሽው? Oh, that's good. I'm also from Addis. Nice to meet you. አዲስ አበባ የት ነው ሱቃችሁ? Okay, it's like online no tra. That's good. መልካም እድል። No, no, no. Thank you. I wish I promised you. That's good. So we're heading out. Don't be shy. So guys, this is what it is. You know, the people are just offering all the stuff they can sell, but customers are not visiting them well, and that's their complaint. But let's see. So let's be done here this video. See you another time by another upload here in Gondar. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.